Poor Pearl, stuck holding all the bicycles. She's like, let's ride, come on, come on. We got nice weather, it's cool out. And what's going on? Jim is fiddling around with the GoPros, getting us ready to go biking. So we're gonna go do a quick scouting mission. We're gonna bring you all along, see what happened, see if the one boardwalk, the Marsh Walk boardwalk.
We wasn't sure when we drove in, we couldn't.
Yeah, it looked like it's damaged. So we're gonna go pedaling and see what we got. So bring you along. Away we go.
Jinx on you.
Jinx on me. They both beeped at the same time, so it's my fault.
Yeah.
Jinx on me. All right, away we go.
The branch got me. Oh, this feels good. This feels good for me to do. If I don't fall off, here I go. Where are you going? Huh? Where are we going? What were you doing? Oh, no, I was coming. I was just trying to adjust things and about fell. I went off road. Yeah. Okay, I'll let you go in front, but remember, don't get too fast. Or at least check to make sure I'm still there. Oh, look at that. Oh, jeez, Jim. You stopped. Yeah, that'd be a good picture. Wait, is there anybody coming? Let me get my phone.
Is it getting ready to fly? It's getting ready to fly, I think. Nope, more cleaning. We had to keep an eye on the bike, so Pearl was the first to get to go out and see the damage from the Hurricane Ian did to our favorite walkway. But yeah, and I got to come out here and take a peek around. I noticed there was a notice. They're going to try to get some FEMA money to fix it. It's just sad. I'm going to put it up here in a corner, some video of what this looked like before. This used to be way out there. And I'm going to let me continue on talking. Building to the end there. So that empty spot there was filled by this section right here. Somebody forgot her binoculars, so
Good ones.
her good ones, or her better ones. So she got a
pair just
in
case we go birding.
So close one eye than the other, and they should look both the same.
Is that how you test it?
Yeah, or set it and just adjust it. Hold on, we'll help her adjust her eyes. All right, so we got Pearl all adjusted and focused,
Yeah.
and that is good, huh?
I think it'll work.
All right, so we're here, our usual spot on the causeway. Lots of wind going right now.
They're on the boardwalk.
Yeah, they're hanging out over there on the boardwalk now because it's like a little island for bird.
Yeah.
It's like a bird sanctuary now.
That middle, that one part from the little hut area to
Yeah.
the end is.
Well, probably because that one had all those pilings around it, probably.
Yeah.
So it's probably a solid, sturdier. All right, come on.
Yeah. This is,
Okay.
I mean, it's not.
All right, let me check out the. We're gonna check out the bird land there. No, this is supposed to have been a quick ride.
Yeah.
then-
We get squirreled very easily
Yes,
out
we
here.
do. It
Well,
does.
that, and I wanted to try these
Try your
newer
these
new
binoculars
binoculars
out.
to see if they'd be good enough, and
Yep,
I
they're-
think they will
yep.
be. Yeah. They're
Yeah.
just a nice little
Inexpensive pair of
yeah,
binoculars.
yeah,
We got at
they'll
Walmart.
work.
So,
Mhm.
all right, we're gonna head back and try to go down the other side. Hopefully, we don't see too many alligators. Otherwise, we're gonna
Squirreled some
we're gonna
more.
get gatored this time.
Yeah. Oh, look at the little birds on the reeds down there. See them?
Oh yeah,
That's cute.
just walking on
I
it.
bet there's some more here. There must be some good eating
Yeah.
on the reeds there. Where is it? Oh, right there. Right here's a tail. Is that the one you saw?
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah, we found one. Got the right idea, just laying there sunning himself. Here you go. It's running.
Okay. Neat. That's kind of neat. He's all stretched out. Oh, they are so cool looking. They must have already seen it.
His tail's in the air.
Yeah. Or they didn't know there was a gator there.
Kind of hidden in there, isn't it?
I want to touch it, but
No, no touchy.
I know. I want to
You get-
keep my hand.
Yeah, yeah, become a pearl snap.
Yeah. Yep.
All right, so we got one.
We have one, yeah.
Yeah,
He's a
people
young
probably
one.
think we're crazy getting this close to him.
He's a young one.
Yeah.
Or she.
Yep. So.
But we've gotten close to bigger ones.
Yeah.
Than that, and for whatever reason,
they-
they don't attack.
At least
I mean, they
yet.
could.
At least yet.
Not yet, yeah.
Well, that wraps up our riding around, checking out the damage of the hurricane. We'll kind of leave you with the grand finale here. I like doing these. So here's some footage you haven't seen yet. So enjoy. Give us a thumbs up if you liked our video, and please subscribe by clicking the circle with our pictures on it. Thank you.